Okay, so I just want to show you this. This is inside the VIP Discord. You can see we have a channel here for Forex discussions. And you can see this was a trade setup that I posted on Euro US dollar. You can see the timestamp. And this is basically, obviously, the trade setup with the stop at the bottom of the red and the target at the top of the green. So I literally post this in real time. And you can see, so that was posted at 1:59. You can see over here, immediate reaction, almost near perfect entry. And you can see to the upside. And this is basically just what I do inside the VIP Discord on a daily basis, whether it's Forex, whether it's crypto. And you can see this is the same setup here on Euro US dollar. You can see how perfect that came into the level. Perfect entry for this trade. Bit of a wide stop here, but you can see over here, that could be the target. But initially, look at that reaction. Perfect entry over here. I shared this in real time. At this point, we could take 50% profit with a stop to break even, and maybe it continues going, maybe it doesn't, but either way, fantastic trade in just a matter of literally less than an hour. So if you want to join VIP, send me a DM or comment below or click the link in my bio and you will get access to all of that.